It's been a while since we've been at the shop. We moved the lift from inside the second building here over into the right-hand corner in the first shop. And the main thing is that we have our very first car ever on this channel, Shane's C7 drift car, that we're adding a little bit more parts to from Part Shop Max. So let's go see what they're up to. What are we installing on the C7, Matt? I think that might be locked on the other side. Oh, really? I didn't open it this morning.
We're doing control arms, and Shane doesn't have enough angle.
What all is Shane's?
Everything. It's all going in.
The whole table?
Whole table. We're installing the table.
We got Austin over here. Woo!
Don't film that. You can film whatever you want, Colin. I just like saying don't film that. But if I say don't film that, dude, I mean it, bro. Like last night, dude, don't film that.
We're gonna talk about last night.
Yeah. God damn, Shane. Wish this was my angle kit.
You don't have any angle in the IS yet?
Fuck you. Yes, I do, dude. No, dude, I have modified stock knuckles with like modified tie rods.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So, no, dude, I'm working in with less angle than that, and now we're adding more. Stepper drill bits. What are you doing? Step bit. Stupid. Like 5 minutes, dude.
Less than that.
Shane, this took fucking 5 hours, bro. I'm just kidding. Those bottom control arms are gonna whoop my ass while Part Shop Max, always thinking ahead. I just like that how these have little adjustment rods on them. Make it that much more dialed in. So, oh fuck, we gotta charge this for you to have. Jared, my boy at Part Score, we used to use this to shoot hella photos. He'll know if he ever sees this. Probably won't though, he doesn't watch this shit.
Where's the black ones? Skinny ones, you know what I'm talking about? Austin's. Just steal Austin's, yeah.
Yeah, steal Austin's.
Yeah, there we go. Just don't tell him.
Those flashlights, crazy. They cost $20 a hard, right? See, dude? These don't line up perfect, and I can expand them now.
Oh god, he's out of the engine.
Life. What does it mean? Who are we? What are we destined for? Are we alone out there? These questions will be answered by Ethan because we're in a simulation.
Yes! Knuckles and the tie rods. So we did the knuckles and the tie rods already to give them a little bit of angle, but now we're doing the Heim jointed custom uppers, and we're gonna do fully adjustable lowers that'll push the rack out a little bit too.
This guy really forgot his light.
Can you like, is that a thing?
Kinda, I mean it works.
Hey there, welcome to Turnstile. Today we're going to be working on some C7 Corvette nipples. So as terrible as Austin's noise has been, he's doing kind of a cool job right now, and he's doing a full AC line tuck that avoids the whole turbocharger kit, so nothing gets heat soaked anymore. All the lines are going to actually come through here and run through the fender well channel and come down with relocated dryer center. Ethan! What are you talking about?
This is your SR to KA swap, huh, Ethan?
Yes, sir. Just a compressor and bracket, so it fits the SR bracket.
This exact swap is what Xavier Wolf was talking about in that song, dude. $420 inch pounds, dude. That's how much it takes. I don't know. I don't even know what that comes out to. Ethan! Okay. Will you grab my pickle fork?
How's your little project going, Austin?
Oh, my little project?
Your little project?
It's going good, dude.
Yeah?
Not really.
What?
I said not really. It's just the kit, like some of these fittings, like really had to be drilled out, grinded down, all that good shit. And I gotta drill holes. They're gonna go through there, on here, kind of sort of something like that. You feel?
The bolt is on the rack arm, if you can grab it for me.
Sorry.
They cut these little holes here for weight reduction.
It's like weight reduction, styling, and I'm sure there's some sort of like
Scientific reason.
like how you like dimple dies or sheet metals to keep them stiff, but with it being like a piece of metal like that, I can't imagine it's much more than weight savings.
Looks sick.